Hi, I'm Ryan Benalver. I'm here with the Talos Technical Support team, and I'm here to show you how to install a anti-wear sleeve on both T50 and T40. All right, first things first, I'm going to be installing the arm fixing piece. There's total 4 screws, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, and that goes here and here, and 2 under. All right, next up, we are going to be installing the anti-wear sleeve, and it's just 1 screw. And all you have to do is just clamp it on to right here, about right here, where it clips onto the fixing piece. So, there you go. All right, and that's how you attach on an anti-wear sleeve onto a T40.